Subscribe to get contents via mail. Purchase shorthand journals and more.
By referring to the materials available on record, Mr. Ahmed, learned amicus curiae, appearing in this case, has submitted that although there is no scope in this case to argue for acquittal of the appellant, yet going by the materials available on record, it is clear that there was no intention on the part of the accused appellant to cause death to the victim. According to Mr. Ahmed, it is a case of single blow in the arm of the victim and he died due to coma on account of excessive bleeding. According to Mr. Ahmed, the medical evidence brought on record does not conclusively establish that the death of the victim was due to bodily injury sustained by him, as inflicted by the appellant, which was sufficient in the ordinary course of nature to cause death. Mr. Ahmed therefore argued that unless the aforesaid aspect of the matter is proved on the basis of cogent evidence brought on record, the third condition of Section 300 of the IPC would not satisfy. Under the circumstances, submits Mr. Ahmed, the appellant could not have been convicted under Section 302 IPC. Rather, this is a case where the appellant accused could at best be convicted under Section 304 Part 2 of the IPC, as he did not have the intention to kill the victim. In support of his above argument, Mr. Ahmed has placed reliance on a decision of the Supreme Court rendered in the case of Virsa Singh versus State of Punjab AIR 1958 SC 465. Responding to the above, Mrs. S. Jahan, learned APP Assam, has argued that although the evidence on record clearly establishes the fact that it was none other than the accused appellant who had inflicted grievous injury on the body of the victim leading to his death, yet in view of the fact that it is a case of single injury and the blow was struck on the arm of the deceased, it could be a case of culpable homicide not amounting to murder. Mrs. Jahan has fairly submitted that on an objective assessment of the evidence available on record, it appears that there was no intention to cause death of the victim and hence this could be a case for conviction of either under Section 326 IPC, under Section 304 Part 2 of IPC. We have considered the submissions made by the learned counsel for both the sides and have also carefully gone through the evidence available on record. As noted above, the wife of the victim, Srimati Rekha Dole, is the informant in this case. She was examined as PW1. This witness has deposed before the court that the victim was her husband and the appellant accused is the younger brother of her husband.